Capricorn. This is your channel messages for the 5th of June. It is the 5th of June, Capricorn. I'm getting someone hates you, or maybe you hate somebody. It's okay. I don't give a fuck if you don't like me, ho. I don't like you either. Why don't you not like her? It's just a vibe. I don't know. There's something about her. I just don't know what it is. It's just that I don't. Have you ever spoken to her? No. Have you ever had a conversation with her? No. I've heard stuff. I've heard things that were disgusting, that was filthy, that was derogatory. Have you ever confronted her and asked her? No, I have not. But you heard it. Yes, yes. And you believe it's true. Yes. Okay. So, and you just don't like her. I don't. I feel like she should be locked the fuck up and she should not be allowed to even have a child. Okay, so you're saying based on things that... Did you hear this in person or online? I read about it online. Like on a forum, yeah. And you know those places don't lie. Like those are like the biggest places for conspiracy theories. Like, hello, be up to date here. But getting somebody that don't like you, that's okay. Get in line. A long list of bitches. Even bitches I used to be friends with don't like me. And maybe that's happening for you too. And you have to be comfortable with that. And bitches go and make up stories. Then go and tell for them side of the story. But let me ask you something, ho. Why are you trying to defend a story from a bitch who never worked as hard as you to be where you are? That is cloud chasing 101. Anyways, we're getting somebody don't like you. No, the devil don't hate. Him not going to say, you know what, I hate because any that comes into my office. I'm sorry, I'm drinking 7-Up. It's very bubbly. Anyways, right? The devil don't say I hate black people. If black people come in my office and try to sell them soul, I'm going to reject them. The devil don't hate. Him don't love either. But him don't hate a specific thing. Him is of the essence of hate. That's why usually when you make deals with him, it always fall, backwards, not forward. Anyways, getting somebody don't like you. And to be honest, I don't have a reason to. I mean, what is your reason to not liking the devil? We read about him. Yeah. Okay, so did the devil betray Jesus? No. Judas did. Okay. Okay, so what did the devil do? He tempted Eve to eat the apple. Okay, so this dumbass bitch didn't know that she shouldn't listen to a snake. I didn't know animals could talk. So Eve knew what the fucking snake was saying. Like, so just blame it on the pets. Just blame it on the animal. The no accountability from Adam and Eve. It was a snake fault. Like, what is your he didn't listen to God. He wanted to overthrow God. So I just hate him. He's the devil. I hate him. Okay, but him rule the place where people that do evil things go to. So why I hate him? Do you love evil people? No. Okay, well that's where the devil come in. I just feel like somebody don't like you and they don't have a reason to not like you. They've never asked you. They've never clarify. I don't know. Maybe somebody need to fucking turn off the digital devices and get back to fucking reality. Where people is thinking about themselves majority of the time. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Capricorn, the devil. Or maybe somebody's like, she don't like me. Does she know you? No. You talk to her? No. How you know she don't like me? Cause the things that she says. Weird. To you? No. To your friend? No. On her channel? Yeah. Are you subscribed to her channel? No, I'm invisible. Well, then how you would know is she talking about you? And you were my baby. Started when we were younger, you were mine. Let's go. First card out is a 4 of Swords. Okay, I'm getting something about rest, sleeping. Are you healing? We're doing Capricorn. Yes, but we're getting a missing. So the blame is being put on you, but you're not there to defend it. Where are you? I'm getting a missing. Yeah, the Lover's card. I'm getting something about a Gemini. Maybe somebody's saying you're cheating on them. Maybe they cheated on you and them trying to blame it on you. We're getting something about a Gemini. Or something about you sleeping together with somebody. Alright. We have the 7 of Swords. We're getting theft. Something about you stealing. Something about theft. We also have the King of Swords. Yeah. Or I'm getting somebody saying you steal them girlfriend, you steal it. We have 2 air signs here. This could be a Gemini, Libra. This is definitely a Gemini. This look like a Libra or Aquarius. Something about a Libra stealing. Is it something about photos? Something about a video? I'm getting something about you and somebody in a bed naked. And while you and somebody in a bed naked, somebody else has steal something from you. This man. So I don't know if you're sleeping over a girl house and I don't know if the door left unlocked. And another man come in for rob you while you're in bed with a woman. Come and getting you in bed with she. And tone and naked. Maybe you just finish having sex and you go sleep or not sleep naked. And I'm getting all of us, I'm getting somebody else in the room. Something like that. Capricorn, again, somebody, them hate you, so I'm getting somebody will set you up. I don't know if you're a celebrity, them will set you the fuck up. Them sending this man to do it. Them will set you up under the false pretense of love. Or I'm getting somebody want to get you for sleeping in the same bed with them while them can't rob you. Them might try for rob you something. It's something. I don't know if them are gonna rob the couple, but me getting it might be the Gemini's idea. It's somebody's idea. We have the 8 of, alright, I'm getting somebody want you leave. I don't know if somebody will stage a break-in or a robbery so you can get scared and relocate. Because you're just so scared. And you don't know if somebody else will rob you again. We have the High Priestess. Yeah, I'm getting something about a Gemini. Somebody want you live with them. I'm getting, are you fucking a Gemini? Are you a fucking Cancer? Are you a fucking High Priestess? I'm getting you want to go back to the High Priestess. You want to go back to this woman. I'm getting something about you feel like you can turn your back. I'm getting when you are you military trained? I know military people don't turn them back to exposed areas. I'm getting when you're sleeping you feel like you can turn your back to this person. Maybe this person will stab you in the back while you're asleep. Or I'm getting something about sleeping in the same bed with this Cancer High Priestess. We have the Ace of Cups and we also have, see the 4. Okay, so we have 2. I'm getting something about you getting up out of this. Is either you get up out of this person's bed, this woman's bed, for go sneak away, for go sleep in one man's bed. Or am I getting something about this Cancer woman, something about just, I'm getting something about she that in a one man bed and she leave for go to another man's bed. I'm getting something about, because you sleep at 2 places. One of the places them you leave. So you leave your house, come, okay, this is a bed. Did you leave your, okay, so who you sleep with? Come getting, okay, if somebody don't like you, maybe somebody's saying you're cheating. Because here's a man over here with the 4 of Swords, that means you're asleep. But this could be a sneaky link with the 7 of Swords. Yes, it's not something you're serious about. But you see him occasionally, but this is the man you love. This is the man who can see you occasionally. So sometimes you can see, maybe him can't sleep over, him can come, when you get naked together, but him have to leave, 8 of Swords. But me getting this one, you will sleep over with him can sleep in the same bed with you. So I don't know if you catch somebody cheating, or if that's what somebody's saying about you, yeah, cheat. When him leave, this guy come sleep over. Because I'm getting him can't sleep, 8 of Swords, 8 of Cups, him have to leave. Him can rest for a couple of hours, maybe maximum 4 hours, him can rest with you, but him have to leave. This person, me getting like only can sneak off together. Yeah, me getting somebody don't like you and them don't have a reason to not like you. Maybe them don't like you because them you see in a very loving relationship and somebody believe that based on the type of person you are or what you believe in, you don't deserve that. Why you deserve that? Aren't you a witch? Give out the Moon card, that's Pisces, and we also have the Ace of Swords. We're getting something about night. Is it something about night vision? Night. We're getting you ask somebody, I don't know if you ask them if you can stay over the night, or we're getting you pop up on somebody in the night. Maybe you go to feed them apartment in the night, and them tell us them not the home, them over the neighbor house. And yes, so what the fuck you do over the neighborhood? Come getting somebody leave for them bed for go somewhere else. Or after you're done being with somebody and you leave, come we're 4 2 time. But this 4 he must stay. This 4 you have to leave. I'm going to leave it here, Capricorn. They're going to blame it on the devil. I didn't mean to cheat on you. It was the devil. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry I felt to say it. Oh, that damn devil had me cheating on you. Man, get the fuck out of here. Not even, I wouldn't, it's not the devil's fault, sir. It's your fault. The devil couldn't blood clot tempt you if you weren't around temptations. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye, Capricorn.